What's up guys, Chartsmith here. Back again with another live recorded trade. This time it was a short. I had to take this trade on my own. Normally I take my trades with my trading partner, but he was not there when I took this trade. So there were a bit more emotions in this play, because when you're trading with someone you can share your thoughts on the chart and you can talk about the things you see, you want to see. You can share your stop loss if you take a stop loss. You can share your profit. So it takes away a bit of emotions. It makes you more confident because you can talk about the chart with someone else. So I missed that one, but I pre-planned the trade really nicely. I saw what I wanted to see to take this trade. I handled correctly. I still took the trade either way. I didn't let my emotions take better of me. And in the end it worked out because it was more than 2 risk to reward profit for me. So I'm really happy. I was in this trade for a pretty long time, almost 1 hour, because it was after London price action. So it can be a bit slower than New York price action, of course. That's also why I was managing my stop loss really aggressively after I had my first take profit, because I already was in this trade for 1 hour. I want to get on with my day and I want to take my profits, because yes, the expected order flow was a new lower low, so there probably could have been more profits on the table, but I don't want to be in the same trade for 3 hours and just looking at the same chart the whole day. So now you know how I felt about this trade and some insights about the live trade. Now let's get into the technicals and look at the chart. As always, let's start at our higher time frame. We are still in a downtrend, making lower highs, lower lows. So our expected order flow is to keep trading down until this structure is broken towards the upside. After the Asia session, we are consolidating, but in this consolidation, we are leaving open our highs and sweeping our lows, which is telling us the price is pretty bearish and is just moving down until proven otherwise. So with London we can take out Asia high. You can see after we can take out Asia high, we make a lower high and immediately dump down and make a new lower low. After making this new low, price comes up again, and I had this order block in my chart because this would be an important point for price to make a decision if we are gonna break this order block to then take out this liquidity, because we took out all this juicy liquidity over here and we did not yet take out this low. So until this order block is rejected or gained, I can do anything. This was the most important POI in this price action. So as you can see, we touched the POI, we moved down. So I went to a lower time frame to look if there's any price action we can use to enter a trade. When we came into the order block, we swept this high. We also made the SMT with it high, making it really interesting for us to look for shorts. After we did this, we moved down aggressively. We broke structure towards the downside, confirming we can look for liquidity on the lows, and we're not gonna leave open this low, we're gonna take this out. So after we made this change of character, I was looking for an entry. We made the low, then we came up. When price came up, it rejected this breaker block. After touching this breaker block, we made a new low, coming up again, and then not taking out this high and protecting it. And in this move we also made a really nice fair value gap for us to inverse. So I was ready to take a short entry when we inversed the gap. As you can see, it happened. We placed our entry here, stop loss above this high, and this was our first target, with our next target being obviously this low. Price hits our first TP, and when this TP got hit, we made this local structure where I put my stop loss above, because this trade took a pretty long time and it was more than 2 risk to reward if I put my stop loss above this high, so I was fine with it. I can't wait the whole day for some extra profits. So it's a pretty simple trade. The simple trades are most of the times the best trades, because it's clear where the price is gonna head next. It's clear where you can take your profits, and that's why it resulted in some good profits for us. Well, that was it for this one. If you found it helpful, please leave behind a comment. Also subscribe and like, of course, so we can grow the channel and make this a nice community. And I will see you in the next one.